Hi, I'm Stephanie Olivar, a second-year accountancy student in System Plus. And in this video, I will show you how to create tables. So without further ado, let's start. A table is made up of rows and columns. Also, tables are often used to organize and present information. But they have a variety of other uses as well. To create new table, just go to the Insert tab. Then click the table. Then mouse over the grid to select the number of cells you want. For example, I want 6 columns and 6 rows. And now, the column will appear in your document, where you can start entering your information. If you have already listed your information, don't worry, you don't have to start from the scratch. Take this for example. The schedule is kind of hard to read in its current format, but we can convert it to table. Select all the text, then go back to the Insert tab, then click the table, then click the Convert Text to Table, and choose of the options here for separating your text. This is how Word knows what to put in each column. So I will put 5 there. Then, in this example, my text is separated by tabs, but paragraphs, commas, and other symbols will also work. Just click OK, and the text will appear in a table. To enter information, just click the cells you want. Example 2. To insert a column or a row, hover outside the table over one of the cell dividers. Do you see the plus sign? Then just click it, and the word will add up a column or a row in that location. Deleting columns and rows is just as easy. First, select the cell in the range you want to delete. Example here. Then right-click and choose the delete cells. So in this example, I will choose the delete entire row. Then OK. Now let's add some formatting to make the table easier to read and also give it some color. So you'll find everything you need in the Design tab or the Layout tab, which appear every time you have your cursor in your table. Under Design, you will have a wide range of table styles you can choose, which you can also mouse over for a preview. Then for the full list, just click the drop-down arrow in the corner and choose anything you like. For example, this one. Once you've chosen a style, you can customize it using the table style options here. And so for example, if you want to use or not to use the special formatting on the first column or in the header row. Then, this will all have different effects depending on the table style you've chosen. So you might want to do some experiment to get the style you want. Now to add or change the border of your cells, just select the cells you want to modify. Then look to the borders group. Then click the styles or line you want. Then the weight. Then the color. Then click the drop-down arrow in the borders command. Then choose where you want to put it. For example, outside borders. You can make further modifications like the size and layout of your table by going to the Layout tab. For example, I want my table to look like a little bit bigger overall. So, I'll start by placing my cursor in the bottom of the row, then drag it to the size that I want. Then click the Distribute Rows, and the rows will adjust so they are all in the same size again. Next, I'm going to select the entire table and then change the text alignment using the options in the alignment group. So, I think I will choose the center one. Lastly, let's try to combine these two cells into one, also known as merging, here. So this option is useful if you have a massive data. Just make sure the cells you want are selected. Then click the merge cells in the merge group. Then there you have it. The Layout tab gives you many ways to customize your table, so it works for you and the information you want to display. Therefore, there is still a lot of other options to explore, so make sure you give them a try on your own. That's all. Thank you.